So I've made a couple of videos on how you can monetize your Telegram channel and all of that. Okay, so most of you have been reaching out trying to tell me that you don't know how to actually withdraw. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set up that and also withdraw your Telegram token in this same video. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it right away. Remember, for you to withdraw on Telegram, you have to make sure you have at least 10 tons. All right, in this very video, I'm going to be using this particular channel for this particular tutorial so you can actually know how to withdraw. Right, so come over to your Telegram channel right here. You're going to simply come over to your Telegram channel, then click on the monetization. You allow it to load. Okay, so once on this very page, scroll down a little bit, you're going to see we have 10.13 tons. All right, so click on this section that says collect fragment. Okay, and if you have password for your channel or for your username, you have to add the password. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the password from this very section. Okay, allow it to load. So this is going to simply take you out of Telegram, from Telegram to fragment.com. okay, so on this very page, this is where you have to simply connect your wallet, connect every other stuff, and also verify your account. If your account is not verified, you might not actually get this done. Okay, so let's go ahead and verify and also connect every other stuff. All right, okay, so for you to connect this, the best platform that I recommend you use for this strategy is Keeper. Okay, so that's the application that's going to simply help you with all of this. So if you don't know about Keeper, go to your Play Store or your App Store, you search for Keeper. Once you create your account on Keeper, make sure you create a wallet and make sure you save your seed phrase. Okay, it is very much important. All right, so I've already created a new account, I've already created a new wallet. From this very section, add your passwords, come back to this section that says fragment. So once on this very page, the next you need to do, simply click on the connect wallet. Okay, and from this section you have to be selecting the Keeper. So select the Keeper, and from this very section, automatically it's going to simply redirect you back to your Keeper account. Okay, so you can see right here, this is what we have. Allow the notification. You can see right here everything is connecting to the Keeper. Then you click on create wallet. Okay, or connect wallet. So you can show it has been connected fully, and it's going to simply redirect you back to the browser session, which is fragment.com. You can see why this session right here has already turned to collect 10 tons. All right, so instead of connect account, we've already connected our account. So collect 10 tons, click on it, then they are going to simply require you to log in. Okay, so we're going to be logging into Telegram now via the browser section. So we're going to simply click on the continue with Telegram. Okay, so it's going to open Telegram and also tell me if I'm the one accessing my Telegram. Okay, so let's go back. So you can see right here, confirm your login. So I'm going to simply accept that. So after that, then click on this collect your stuff, collect your 10 ton. So this one right here requires you to verify your account. Okay, so this is how to verify the account. Click on the account verification. So for them to verify your account, you need to actually provide any of this information. Right, so this is what they say: provide identity document, liveness check. Okay, then provide personal information. So add your email right here, add your email, then click on verify or start verification. They're gonna simply send you a code on your email. So go back to your email address, go to your email address from this very section, then go to your account, that same account that you use. So this is it right here. The code is here, so we're going to simply add this code to that particular section. Okay, okay, so this has been verified. So we are not done yet. We're going to simply click on the consent and click on start creating account and also do the verification. Okay, so this verification is also going to simply help you with your advertising on Telegram. So you have to simply provide your ID for them to know that you're a real human. Okay, so you need to provide your ID, your NIN, your national ID card, your voter's card, your passport, or your international passport or resident permit. Okay, so any of this stuff can actually go with the verification just to prove that you're a real human. So I'm going to be using my international passport to verify my own. Okay, so you can see right here I've already selected international passport. So click on OK, and also make sure you turn on your camera for this particular stuff. All right, turn on your camera. Okay, so once you turn on your camera, this will be open for you. You can show why your camera access has been allowed. Okay, so this is my international passport. It is scanning the international passport, so let's allow it to scan it. It is scanning it. So you can see right here. Right now I have to put in my face. Okay, I have to put in my face. So this is my face right here, so I'm going to be adding that. So they require you to do like this, just like this, up and down, right, left, and all of that. Okay, so I'm going to be adding all of those stuff. Okay, so this has been added, so let's wait for it. You can show here all set. So our account verification is in progress. Okay, so right now I have to put in my personal information that tallies with the one I already added as my international passport. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it that. Then you add your phone number and also your Telegram ID. Okay, so I'm going to be adding every other stuff right here. So this particular account you're verifying is going to simply help with your Telegram ad verification. Okay, so that you'll be able to run ad more faster without getting declined and all of that. Okay, so once your account is verified, you are good with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that. You can see profile has been verified. Okay, close this page or go back. Okay, so right now we're going to simply transfer the tone to our tone keeper. Okay, so we'll be able to sell it out on Bybit or Binance and all of that. Okay, so let's scroll down, then click on collect via Fragment. Then we're going to be adding the password again. All right, so if your account doesn't have password, you don't have to add this. Automatically you can now collect it to your tone keeper. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the connect button, then click on collect reward. So it is recording in the blockchain. All right, so reward has been collected. All right, you can see right here 10 tons has been collected for now on this new channel. Okay, so let's go back to our tone keeper. So you can see right here it has been withdrawn. We have the ton right here on our account. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually withdraw your ton, your Telegram channel tons back to your tone keeper. So from this very page right now, you can actually sell it out to Bybit. Okay, just go back to Bybit, go to the P2P stuff and you sell it. Okay, then straight to your bank. That's basically how this thing works. All right, it is not really complicated. So make sure you verify your account, make sure your account is verified to prove that you're a real human and you're not into money laundering and all of that. Okay, so that's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel and turn on the bell notification icon, and let me know how many subscribers you have on your Telegram channel, and I'm going to be showing you the more ways you can actually monetize that same Telegram channel on the comment section. See you in the next one.